Na msininyamazie sana, just unmute kwa presentation ikiendelea na uongee kabisa. Joseph Odero has raised the hand.
Okay, nilikuwa nauliza vile hiyo kusubmit na submit vile nilikuwa na submit kwa prep hiyo link ya repo link na submit for kesho ama
Yeah, by the way tuna submit hiyo link ya repo by kesho. Hiyo due time kusha submit. Actually, okay, I'll also mention something about your submit. Hiyo kitu
nauliza tu ni the same way vile tulikuwa fanya prep ni pre-prep ama
ni the same though. Kuna kitu Beatrice alisema about two links. I'm here to clarify kama ni lazima mtu amwandikie hiyo link ya GitHub, of which bado si ataipata pale kwa description. Yeah, so hiyo siko sure, lakini bado tunatuma hiyo repo link kama venye ilikuwa kitambo. Yes, Dolvin.
Okay, yes.
Yes.
When we are making a file, are we supposed to use the email of the username of the school in GitHub account, or any email can do?
Oh, okay. Kwa hiyo I think personal email is much better kwa sababu email ya Moringa maybe at some time itakuja ifike mwisho, but your personal email will always be, because you need your GitHub after that.
So there is no when I'm going to use my personal email doing the assignment.
Ndio nasema like I think GitHub unaweza create na personal email, haina shida yoyote, because you'll send the link to your repository.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Kuna mtu mwingine alikuwa ame raise hand. Somebody. Okay. So, Yep. Yes, Irene.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Manzesi hata wasi wengine hata wanisalimie.
Jameni ongeeni, hapa hakuna protocols. Tuko hapa kibesho.
Mimi nataka kujua hii screen yako unaifanyaje na behave hivyo?
Ni venye ukishare screen alafu ubaki kwa hii screen ya meeting inakaa hivyo, ina display infinitely, lakini naona ime change.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. So let me go ahead then. So hapa sitaguza kwanza. Haya. Tuna just an overview of VIP. Today we'll be creating the landing page for your programming portfolio. Sasa, okay, by the way, one of the rules za Moringa School ni ati students, okay, tunaweza pitia an overview, lakini hatufai kudiscuss, tuanze kushare code ya hii project. So, tutapitia juu, but we won't do the coding ya hiyo project. Si hapo tuko sawa? Watu wangu niongelesheni. Okay.
Mbona?
Niko sawa.
Mbona?
Yes.
Yeah, kwa sababu it's because the IP, you can see it's an independent project. Tunafaa kusolve mwenyewe. It should tell how much you have understood personally.
Okay. Whatever you're saying, okay, kwangu sijui, sioni kama ina make sense because we can do it. Kila mtu anafanya na nini yake. Si tunafanya pamoja, ni vile tu everyone will do it on their own.
Sorry.
Yes.
Okay, as in sidani kan the same as in independent projects ni wewe mwenyewe unajifanyia. Hapa ni ku discuss the overview, as in kuangalia content ya hii ni kuangalia ka content yako ya wiki umanage kuelewa. So hii ni wewe mwenyewe as in upitia code mzima ya hiyo project tu, ni overview tu kuonyesha tu details as in simple ideas vile unaweza ifanya, lakini lakini wewe mwenyewe ndio utaenda kuifigure out ukodi
Yep.
hiyo project yako mwenyewe.
Yeah, sure. That's it. Like tutadiscuss but we can't go into the like tuanze kuitengeneza tuseme tutengeneze hivi. So okay, mimi my longing nilitaka tupitie. Okay, kuna mtu wako na shida na GitHub ku create repository, ku clone, kuweka SSH key na ku clone hizo.
Tunaweza pitia
Tupitie.
Tunaweza pitia.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, Ian.
Nilikuwa nasema tunaweza
Yeah.
pitia hiyo part ya ku clone na SSH.
Yep.
Na hiyo kugenerate key. Nakumbuka tu kuupload ikuwe na nini like through GitHub pages, but hiyo kugenerate .io link ndo
Sure.
hapo.
Okay, Dolvin, mainua mkono.
Yes. Sasa nilikuwa nauliza
Yeah.
kama as in after umefanya nini project ukamaliza, is it necessary for you to clone?
No, okay, cloning comes mwanzo. Sasa cloning comes mwanzo because you are taking the project okay, your repository you create GitHub, you na clone kwa machine yako so that you can now work on that local directory kwa machine kwa VS Code sasa. So that ukipush inaenda direct kwa ile repository we create. It makes life easier kuliko kukuja kuadd kina git remote and all that na maybe to make some errors ukiwa umeanzia kwa local directory. Sijui kama unanielewa, but I'm going to demonstrate.
Yani nimekuelewa.
Yeah.
Okay, and again.
Yep. Okay.
Yeah. Sasa again, niko na swali. See, personally, I don't know if I have an SSH key.
Okay.
I tried to download it and I didn't see it.
Okay.
Utanionyesha.
And nitapitia yote tu and we'll all understand. Okay, people, let's start on the IP. Okay, the main requirements hapa ni the requirements for the page. Your name, an image of you or something that represents who you are. The next thing is a list of projects you have created with active links. Kuna active links. Then each ikuwa na description. Then on about me section, your background, current interests and hobbies. Okay. Then you deploy on GitHub pages. I think, okay, this is just the concept of kuweka image, a list of projects you have created. Ni kutumia an ordered list, na list, tutaifanya practically. And then ikuwe na active links. There is a way you can put a link on some text so that people can click inampeleka huko. Like this text. You know, nikiekelea arrow in a change, you can click and go. Okay, so okay. Then kuna this thing need to appear in your project paragraph, header, these are lists, EM strong a image. Okay, tutaifanya practically. Yep, custom CSS sheet, box model. Tutafanya pia hii box model na floats, examples, indentation, tutafanya pia, commit, GH pages, readme. Tutafanya hizo vitu zote. Can I go to the practical part now?
Yes.
Yeah, tutaifanya practically yote.
Yeah.
So, typically.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes, exactly, Madam Irene. So, I want to start as though ni mtu fresh anajifunza, ndio? When you come to a GitHub, ukikuja hapa kwa settings, click here icon hapa juu, kuja hapa settings. If kama by the way, kama huna hizo vitu kina SSH, you can do it as we go na utamalizia hiyo story hapo. Hiyo.
As in kama unatumia tokens kuna shida?
Haina shida, but you can also put an SSH key. It makes your life easier. Ukishaweka hiyo hautaiulizwa password ama token at all ever kwa hiyo machine tena.
Lakini vile yenye mtu ako comfortable nayo
Ni yenye unapenda. Yeah.
Okay, sawa.
Sorry, ati umesema nini hapo?
Nimesema okay, ukitumia tokens, huyo ni Willis alikuwa anaongea tokens.
Hapana. Joseph.
Oh, Joseph. Tokens huwa inakuitisha token several times. Okay, ukipush.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
So
mimi natumia terminal ya nini?
Yes.
Na
haikuitishi token.
As in most of the time when I push niulize hizo vitu.
Oh, so okay, the thing on a SSH key unawekanga one time na hautaitishwa ukae ukiitishwa hiyo password ama token tena kama tokens. So just for convenience, lakini kama unapenda tokens, it's okay as long as it's working. Ndio.
Ni sawa.
Okay, so if you're inputting kuna mtu anaweka SSH mwenye hajaweka ndio isi drag sana.
Sijaweka, tuendelee tu.
Sawa. So settings, you come to this place SSH and GPG keys. Yeah, ukiclick itakuleta hii page and
Kiasi usiniache interruption please, usiniache nafungua.
Okay. Ingia settings, uende hapa SSH. Settings umefika?
Ngoja kidogo.
Okay.
Some laptops ziko too slow.
No problem. Tawangoja. Are we together? Mko wapi? Mko mbali? Hello. Wenye walikuwa nyuma mmefika?
Nimefika.
Kuna mtu amebaki nyuma? Okay, let's go on then. So this is how you go about it. This is how now you generate SSH key sasa. You can see my terminal. Ndio. Just a moment. Yeah. Okay. So nitawatumia hizi commands hapo hivyo kwa chat so that you can copy and do it on your side as well. So where is this chat? Okay. Okay, so you copy that command, alafu your email at example.com uchange uweke email yenye unatumia kwa GitHub na usikosee. The email unatumia kwa GitHub na ikuwe in quotes. Don't delete the quotes. watu wa SSH tuko there. Endeleshani, you can keep your microphones unmuted. Yes, Dovin.
Okay, nilikuwa na problem na network kiasi. Sasa sijui umefika wapi na
You may join saizi. Send
screen clearly.
Yeah, na bado
inakuja network inakuja ikienda.
Okay, I've sent a command on chat, copy it, upaste kwa terminal yako, alafu then you edit and put your email. Hapo penye imeandikwa your email at example.com na bado ikuwe ndani ya quotes. Jaribuni kuharakisha.
Okay.
To save on time, tusitumie so much time.
Nishadi.
Yes? Pale.
Acha niulize.
Uliza. Yep. Yes. Kuiweka GitHub.
Ni kupush? Yeah,
okay, Dolphin,
nilikuwa nimefanya hiyo process ya kugenerate key.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes.
Nauliza.
Kuna venye ulikuwa umefanya hiyo process.
Nilikuwa nimefanya initially but sijui kakaaje generate.
Okay, do it afresh kama haukumalizia.
Sifanye anything hapo ilikataa.
Ilikataa. Okay.
Okay.
Kama ilikataa, Dolphin. Okay. So let's go on.
Yes.
Kama ulikuwa generate, tulia tu, I'll show you the step you could take up from tuone kama itakubali. Yeah. So guys, after umerun your command, I hope ime
Okay.
So nitakwambia tu Dolphin. Now take the second one.
Okay.
Run. Si wewe Dolphin, hawa watu wengine. Wanaweka SSH. By then nani wanaweka SSH? Nikuwe najua. Talk to me. Talk to me.
Yangu iko sawa.
Yeah, nani anaweka SSH? Is there anybody? There were some 2 people or 3. Okay.
Naweka pia.
Oh. So are we together up to that far? Yeah, pia Maureen Tepkoech. Okay, that's better. Okay, mimi sitarun kwa terminal yangu because nisha create, staki iniletee conflict yoyote. So kama umeweka usirun hizo vitu kama ushaweka SSH. And then after that, nipe feedback in case umehang mahali. Uniambie. Sorry. After the second command, run hiyo pia to generate the SSH. Kwa pamoja.
Yeah.
Then after we run your command, now use this one to display the SSH. Ukirun ita display kama hii yangu hapa hivi, when I run it inanionyesha SSH yangu hiyo. So you will highlight with your mouse chenye hiyo output kuanzia mwisho wa gmail.com mpaka mwanzo wa SSH. You highlight that. Copy that one. I believe tuko hapo wote. Chepkoech, are you there?
Yes.
Usha copy?
And yes. Copy.
Yeah, you highlight and right click, copy. Control C sometimes ukataka kufanya kazi kwa terminal. It's not default. Haya. So hoping that nobody has been left back, you now come to your GitHub. Huku kwenye tuliacha SSH ikiwa pending. You click on new SSH. Then you come and paste that SSH here. You paste it there. Your SSH, whatever. We paste hapo hivyo. Like mine. So nikikuja ni paste hapo Control V, then write a title, maybe niseme hii ni Lenovo angu, ama niseme whatever name you can give it just to identify that laptop. Utakuwa unajua ni hiyo laptop specifically. Then you click add SSH. Alafu itakutisha password. You confirm that and go on. Hivyo. Are we together? Anybody amebaki nyuma? Yangu ndio hii nilisha add kitambo. Yep. Anyone with a question? Ama tuendelee?
I have a question. Ni yangu nikifungua inanionyesha like it's like SSH key ilikuwa generated already. So nimeshindwa niache ama niweke?
Oh, na huku umeka kwa GitHub.
Nilikuwa nimeweka I think, yeah.
Ulikuwa umeka kwa GitHub. Kwa GitHub ukienda hiyo setting SSH, unaona SSH key hapo hivyo.
Yeah.
Then it's good. It's okay. Sasa Dolphin utarun hii command ya mwisho hii cat pia wewe, so that you copy what is already generated on your comp like a GitHub. Hii cat ya mwisho cat. Has it generated? Dolphin.
Dolphin anakuanga na shida ya nini ya network kiasi, so you'll bear.
Sure. Okay. Acha tu
Maureen the spokeswoman.
Yep.
Uni nani ameninini hivyo?
Yeah, that's so nice at least. So, okay, sio tumemaliza. Now, let's go back now. Okay, to create SSH key. So, itatupea a smooth interactivity na repository yetu. Now, creating a new repository, kuna some important things. Ni kitu basic but kuna vitu important tutaja hapa hivi. Let's assume in ya catch up. It's just a name. Naipea nitarudi ni delete. You give it the name and then the description. This is just a catch up. Tukaa hiyo. Are we together? Then make it public so that mtu mwingine ataona, hata TM akimark itabidi ikuwe public so that they can see, usiweke private. Then kitu muhimu, add a readme file, check on that. Hii ya pili usiadd a git ignore, choose which files not to track from a list of templates. You want to track all the files, so you don't need to use this feature. Then lastly, choose a license. It will give you an kuweka your license, because hata ukiangalia kwa rubric you need to have your license kwa project. Then check your drop down, kuja uchukue one of these. Okay, mostly GNU, MIT, but MIT is the most preferred. Hata Moringa who encourage kutumia MIT sana. So click on that and you're done. Just create the repository. So kuna kitu fulani hapa, you can change your branch. Yako inaweza kuwa inasema main. Yangu nilichange ikakuwa master, but it's simple. You can just change it here. I click on that setting. Network. Are you getting me?
Yes,
Hello.
Alex, I can hear you.
Okay. Network yangu ilikuwa imepotea. I thought I got lost. So you can use this. Okay, you can use this. But let's leave that. You can use there. It's a simple option. Utaona hapo change. Unaweza ita master main. Unaweza ita Alex, Evo, anything you want. Repository. Net iko mingi sana. So tuko hapa. Somebody say hi. Mko?
Tuko.
Yes.
Having got there, na tuko na SSH yetu in place, come click on code, then chukua this SSH link. Naweza chukua any of them, but chukua SSH, copy that.
Your screen is not showing. Ama mimi peke yangu ndo sioni.
Oh. Ni wengine mnaniona? Unaona screen yangu, Odero?
Mimi naona.
Yes. Hello.
Hi.
Inaonekana sasa hivi before
Yeah.
inaonekana.
Okay, fine. Let me go on. Mwenye hakuwa naiona check net ama refresh. So come copy the SSH key. Okay, the SSH code, not key. Show it the link. Then kuja kwa nini yako terminal. So let's use it here. Naiona. Sorry. CD what? Documents. Very written. But they avoid the hassle yote ya CD if you're in terminal. Okay, you can CD because you know how to do it. But why don't you just come to your file manager, go to documents, maybe nataka ikuwe hapa Moringa Prep project. I want to clone it here. So I just right click, open in terminal, takes me directly to the location. Hiyo ni simpler. But you can also use CD here. Ni vile yangu imenibo that Moringa Prep project sikuwa sure nimeandika aje. So now here being the folder tunataka ikuje, I'll use git clone, then I paste the link and then recopy SSH. I hit enter. No initializing, no remote add, no nothing. Hivyo tu. I just clone. And it has cloned. If I list, naona kuna catch up. Here, imekuwa created. I can cd into catch up. And when I list, napata license na readme zenye ni recreate. So from there okay, that's why nilikuwa naambia SSH key itakupea an easy time because imekuondolea hizo stories zote za kuadd remote, mara umemake mistake, you don't know the origin, unafaa useme ni wapi. Imeifanya tu ikuwe straightforward. Then you can make directory nayo index.html. Unaweza tumia and kusema in a second command and make directory css images ingine if there is need, maybe the yes and the enter. Create. So if you list, those things have been created. Then to proceed from there, tunaweza fungua code and we go edit our code. Somebody has raised the hand. Ongea tu.
Alex.
Yeah.
I was asking tuseme ulisahau ku add license. Can you do it in another way?
Yeah, you can do it. I don't know if I can remember how you do that, but you can. Hebu tuone hapa kwa hii setting. You can. There is a way, only that haiko straightforward kwa mind yangu saizi. But there is a way you can add. Actually, my first license sikuwa nimeadd. I added later. Code. Okay, I can't remember where, but it's there. I don't remember. Sikumbuki kabisa, lakini iko. There is a way one can add it. Yes, ongea please.
Alex, nilikuwa nauliza ukiongeza readme as in the contents zenye ukiongeza readme, is there anything that you are supposed to add in it?
Yeah, sure. If you look at
ukishaiweka.
Okay, yeah, ukishaiweka, unaona hii objective, a project readme that includes project, program name, author name, description, all that. Sasa hapo ndio unatumia ile template Wamboi alitupatia ya ku compare. Like you can use it and delete and write what inafaa. Ama you create your own afresh. Come here, I just create afresh. I think it's faster and easier. Imekujibu?
So after ushaiweka hapo tena utarudi ku create afresh and contain all the contents they supposed to have.
Yeah, the thing is actually readme unaweza kuja uadd hapa kwa project yenyewe, ama unaweza iandikia, unaweza kuja uklik hapo readme, then come click on edit this file. Unaona? Then ukuje uanze kuandika vitu zako sasa. Or you can do the same on GitHub because hata hapa ukiedit there is a commit, you commit it. Kama venye tu ungekuwa umeeditia another place kwa VS Code. Or to just make everything uniform kwa VS Code.
Alex.
Yep. Yes.
Kwa hiyo readme, what if unaweza tumia moja kwa project tofauti ama lazima u create new every time you create a new project?
Okay. Now that every project has a different objective and iko na vitu tofauti, you have to create a new readme for every project, a different one. Huwezi copy ya kitambo. So I want to add a file kwa CSS yangu. We need index.css.
Alex.
Yep.
Hi.
Hi too.
Sorry kukurudisha nyuma, but I just have a question.
Yes,
when we started, you cloned first, sindio?
Yeah.
And then you say that is an easier option instead of keeping on adding. Hapo ndio ulinipoteza kidogo. As in, if you could just please explain it again.
Okay. I mean, saizi unatumia option gani ku connect GitHub na local machine yako, folder yako yenye unafanyia kazi, so that you start.
I'm just pushing to kawaida. Stop it.
How? Una add git remote add.
Like when I
Alafu?
finish, alafu na push sasa.
Na zina reflect kwa repository.
Like okay, nita create repository, but unajua kuna vile umeclone alafu
Yeah.
I don't know. Sijui it's because I don't know. I feel like umeanzia nyuma ama is it just me ama I don't know.
Oh, okay. Okay, mi chenye niko na demonstrate ni just how to clone a repository. So tukachukua hiyo SSH, hiyo link ya SSH, tukacopy, we went and git clone. Like this one. Yeah, so tulikuja, we just said git clone, tukapaste hiyo link ya repository, hiyo catch up ya SSH, and it cloned into our computer. Then to list everything was there. The project, I mean, sorry, he catch up, tuka cd into catch up. When we listed, tukapata license na readme, so meaning our project imekuwa copied to our local directory na tunaweza endelea ku edit sasa. That's why we started creating.
So we create the repository first before you create alafu ndio una clone it ndani before, instead of creating a local one and then unatuma kwa hivyo. That's what you mean?
Yeah, that's what I mean. Actually, kuna watu pia huifanya differently.
Yeah.
Like, let me see if I can.
Hello.
Hi. Amedrop ama ni mimi tu?
Hata mimi nataka kuuliza. I guess si wewe tu.
I think he's muted or something.
Jesus.
Alex.
Whoa. Niko najiongelesha? Hello.
Yeah.
Niliwapotezea wapi? It's like I mute myself bila kujua.
Ujashare screen as in
Hapo kisema that there's another option. Something like that.
Wow. But I pressed Control D. I think hiyo juu ilinitoa. I don't know. Nilikuwa tafuta bookmark. Mnaiona sasa?
Yes.
Yep. Okay. So, nilikuwa natafuta hii sheet hapa hivi. Iko na instructions how you can create a new GitHub repository kwa terminal bila kuenda GitHub. So, kuna mtu ashatengeneza HTML, CSS, nini, anataka tu create a repository na push. So, kuna different commands here. Hatutapitia hizi, you just go through them by yourself. Yeah, kunazo hizi.
Unaweza share hiyo stuff.
Yeah, I can share it. Then iko na vitu mingi about GitHub yenye mtu anaweza jisomea, and you see different things to do hapo kwa GitHub. Then sasa kama hii ni method moja, na ile ingine ya Katana, first you initialize a repository, you git remote add, and then you go on. Then baadaye uta create repository. That's also another one. na hii ya SSH now it's another one also. So sasa ile yenye ita work for you, you go with it. Sasa ni maybe for me nimefind hii SSH ikiwa very easy and very friendly. Yeah, so any is okay. Sisemi ni SSH peke yake. Si hapo tuko pamoja?
Alex,
Yeah.
can I ask?
Yep, please Dovin.
Okay, when you have used your SSH key
Yeah.
command to run your program, so are you supposed again to link it remotely or push it?
No. Okay, unaona after I copied the SSH link nikakuja tukaweka kwa hapa kwa terminal. After cloning, we just SSH we use it to clone. So you git clone the link in a clone repository hapo. Na repository ikishafika hapa, the next thing you do, you just go to the code editor and uweke HTML, CSS. After that, you start pushing. For instance,
Okay.
hata before niende mbali, sasa hizi tume add some files, hizi CSS, HTML, so I can check git status, tuone iko aje. Inaniambia niko na some files hapa, I can commit. Ndio. So I can just git add. I'm just trying to show that ukisha clone, everything is done. You don't need to add remote or anything else or initialize. Everything is okay. You can see I'm on branch master and my files are being tracked here. So git add, it adds, git commit. Maybe let's use the one initial commit. They are done. I say git push. They're gone. I don't even have to say origin master because I'm on master, but unaweza sema pia. And you can see git status. Like branch is clean. Tuko pamoja. I hope mnaona like tunaelewana.
Okay, may I have a question?
Yep.
When you have just committed, are you supposed to repeat the process of pushing after committing something? You push it.
Okay, kwa GitHub after you have made changes kama hizi tumefanya ama nimeedit HTML like a change, a change can be anything. So hiyo change I need to add those changes. Then after adding, I need to make a commit and give a message. What kind of changes have I made? That's the need for committing. Then after committing, these things zimekuwa registered kwa locally kwangu tu, bado haziko GitHub. So I need to push them from my device to GitHub. That's why we use push. So these 3 steps zinapelekana pamoja. Huwezi fika nusu uache. Nimekujibu.
So okay,
Yep.
tena acha niongeze juu ingine. So after you have done adding, committing, and then you push. So what if I decide after making some changes, I add, I commit, and then I go back, I make some changes, I add, I commit, and then at long last, I do the pushing thing. Can it work?
It will also work.
Okay.
Because you have been making the commit messages. Ita work bado. Ni vile ukipush, kama sasa hivi venye nimepush imeniambia what? 5 done. Maybe yako itakwambia like 100 done. Only that zimeaccumulate mingi, but itaenda.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Tuko sawa hadi hapo. So
Then I also have a question, sorry.
Yeah. Please ask.
Yeah, so kwa kucommit.
Yeah.
Okay, see, okay. I don't know if it's a question. Okay, how often should you commit? Because hawezi kuwa tuna commit ati after every minor change that you make. As in, like, is there like a standard like commit whatever? Ama tu ni kwenye tu unaona?
Yeah, nakupata. So, okay, what I can say in such a thing, acha nitumie hii website ya Moringa. Moringa let's assume tunatengeneza hii website ya Moringa. So, okay, I'm just giving an example, not exactly what should happen, but just an example. Let's say nimekuja nikatengeneza hii navigation bar, just this one, this white one, nikaweka all these things. So, that navigation bar, it's one part yenye iko independent na some other parts ziko hii website. So, what if nikitengeneza hii part and everything, I make a commit like I have made a navigation bar and I push. Then later on, I go style the navigation bar and make a commit. Style the navigation bar after nimemaliza and I push. Mtu akikuja kufollow up project yangu ataona the steps nilienda, nikatengeneza bar, I styled it. Then the next step nikatengeneza this introduction section and then I also styled hivyo, like hizo comments zinafaa zikuwe vitu reasonable, vitu meaningful, like kitu iko na maana, si kama nimeweka paragraph alafu nimepush hivyo tu. At least ikuwe a section or something meaningful, what like wewe kitu utaona ni meaningful, hiyo ndio unafaa. Yep.
Thank you. It may make sense.
Yeah, so that's it. Can we go on sasa kwa VS Code? So hapa tume create SSH. Okay, Dolphin, by the Dolphin uko sawa sasa hivi?
Niko sawa.
Tulikulost. Uliweza kucopy ile SSH?
Si uliniambia unafaa kuniguide peke yangu kando.
Sasa tukimaliza nitakupitishia hapo peke yake tumalizie. Ndio?
Okay. Yeah.
Yep. So now tumeweka SSH, tumeclone. So meaning between our computer and our local project we have a good highway ya kupush vitu bila stress. Maureen, sema.
Alex. So my partner anasema yeye hizi join meeting but akona problem na kuclone pia.
Maybe.
Anasema akitry kuclone terminal ina prompt aeke username na password but password inakataa. So aka create a personal access token na pia ikakataa.
Okay. Na kwa nini hawezi join meeting?
Sijui, I think tu amesema she's not able to.
Okay. Please after the meeting nishtue nikumbushe tuone vile tutafanya basi after.
Okay, sawa.
Alright. Okay. Yep. Wow. Please Terry naona highlight the steps hapo hivyo. Kitengeneza repository, adding a license to an existing repository. Okay. On your report.
Nilikuwa najibu swali ilikuwa imeulizwa way earlier. Someone was asking if you didn't add a license, sazile ukicreate repository. If you can later. Sasa ndio hiyo nimejibu hapo. Sorry.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, Irene had asked. Yeah.
Yeah, I get it. Ni kweli. Yeah, nilimwambia siko sure. Yep. So, I think it's now time to enter kwa VS Code. Tumemalizana na computer. Like, our project is here. You can see vitu nimepush. They are here. Zime come up. Hizo folders zingine hazija come up because they don't have files, but CSS iko na file ndani. That's why ime show up. But baadaye zita show up. So, that being said, we can go to actually exit. Yep. So sasa tuko kwa VS Code. Now here, this was what I had planned. Then mtaniambia pia what we can add. Kwa nimeamua tupitie hizo the basic elements kama hizo zinahitajika kwa IP. Alafu tupitie pia okay na hizo styling basic, just the basic styling. Siko fiti. Nitajaribu kuharakisha.
An interruption please. An interruption.
Yes please.
Alex.
Yep.
Okay, nilikuwa nimesahau kuuliza kama tuseme nikifanya project nikisema maybe I don't want to clone nifanye remote add, can it work the same?
It will work the same as long as imekuwa successful. Imeadiwa successfully.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. It will be the same. I wish ningekuwa pro na hiyo story ya remote ad ama ni mimi sijiamini. Let me see kama at least yache kukaa mysterious. Control C. Sorry. Okay. I think
Oh, Alex, just to help you out.
Yeah.
Kwa kukopi, it's Control Shift key.
Control Shift C. So like Git remote add. Does it go like that? Sorry.
Unafaa kuanza na git add and then git remote add.
Git init, sindio?
Time una create a file,
Yeah.
first you create your folder and then
Mhm.
you
Initiate. Okay. Allow me people to do this. Hiyo story ya remote add, acha niachane nayo. Mtu
files
alisearch
when you are
yake.
going to give ati
Okay,
Acha mtu
nasema,
atumie yenye anajua.
acha nitumie hii.
Unaweza zoom screen yako.
Yeah, I can zoom. Acha nitumie hii yenye najua. Hiyo ingine please mtu aende research independently, itani mess up. And like it will get me my head hot
Ni mtu atumie yenye ako comfortable nayo tu.
kabisa. So hapa HTML nataka kufanya vitu mbio, then mtu ananiuliza a specific question penye